Hello friends, welcome to the session. We are dealing with synchronous motor drives. Today we will be discussing about sinusoidal PMAC motor drives. As the voltages induced in the stator phases of the sinusoidal PMAC motor are sinusoidal, the three stator phases should be supplied with a frequency which is variable and sinusoidal voltage or current with phase difference of 120 degree between two phases. Let us see how this motor behaves when variable frequency current source is applied. The figure A shows the Norton's equivalent of a synchronous motor equivalent circuit where IF is given by E divided by JXS, and that is equal to E by JXS at an angle del plus pi by 2. I'll call this as equation 1, and Im is equal to Is plus If, addition of both the currents. I'll call this as equation 2. Now we'll draw a phasor diagram where the Is is taken as a reference. Okay, the mechanical power developed can be given by Pm is equal to 3 EIS cos of del dash minus pi by 2. Just see the phasor diagram. So Is is taken as a reference and the E and the applied voltage, induced EMF and the applied voltage are drawn. The V and Im are 90 degree apart. So it is drawn first for If, and addition of If and Is is nothing but Im. So we have added vectorically here. Vector addition of Is and If is drawn as an Im. Just I drawn the parallel line to If, parallel line to Is, and whenever it joins I join it from origin to give rise to Im. Substituting equation 1 gives Pm is equal to 3xs Is If sin del dash. I call it as equation 3, and now the T value can be given as Pm by omega ms. So substituting this Pm by and dividing it by omega ms, so K Is If sin del dash, where K is nothing but 3xs divided by omega s, and it is a constant. For del dash is equal to either plus or minus 90 degree, T gives rise to plus or minus K If Is, or you can say KT Is. We can notice that the torque is proportional to the Is. Now for a given value of Is, maximum torque can be obtained when del dash is equal to pi by 2, and the phasor diagram for del dash equal to pi by 2 is shown here. In this condition, motor is operating with unity internal power factor, as Is is in phase with E. Is and E both are in phase. The motor has a lagging power factor. Here it is desirable to obtain maximum torque per unit. Therefore, this is the preferred operating condition. Similarly, comparing it to the braking operation, maximum torque per unity of stator current can be obtained when del dash is equal to minus of pi by 2. Hence, this is preferred operating condition for braking condition also, braking operation. Now the thing comes, how to change this del dash pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. So that can be obtained by just reversing the stator current Is. And here del dash is the angle between rotating fields which is produced by stator and rotor and the maximum torque obtained when the axis of two field make an angle of plus or minus pi by 2.